Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Virgin Media Play application to your Android TV. It could be a TV box, any device running an Android operating system. To do this, you are going to be using the download application. This method is going to use the code. So make sure you have the download application installed and open it. If you do not have the download application installed, check the link in the description and I'll link a tutorial teaching you exactly how to get this application onto your Android TV. Click on the application to open, go to home, and you'll be toggled this dialog box for a code. Input the code for Virgin Media Play, which is 9082940. Ensure this code is correct so that this method will work seamlessly for you. Click on the Go button. I'm using my mouse to easily navigate the platform. So click Go and your download will begin in a few seconds. Wait for the download to complete, then click on the Install button. As you see, we're redirected and we're ready to the download site. After the download is complete, you have to hit Install, and when the installation is done, you could decide to delete the package file. That is okay to save space on your smart TV. So I just clicked on download and in a few seconds my download will be completed. That is it for this tutorial and I'll see you in the next one.